Now, and you can see behind me there is some sporadic traffic. That's because the state police and the local police cannot man every exit, so people are getting off, but I guess once they are spotted, they are being escorted off. 279, the expressway here, is part of the interstate system. We spent much of the day throughout the area. We saw plenty of tie-ups and plenty of frustrated people. Simply put, PennDOT is asking everyone to stay off the roads. This is why. The highways, interstates, side streets, and back roads of greater Pittsburgh, most if not all, like ski trails. And behind the wheel, extremely low visibility, little control, other motorists all over the road. In short, new meaning to treacherous driving conditions. Here, a small grade on Penn Avenue in East Liberty becomes a virtual mountain to climb. Vehicles line up, taking turns. This man, though, gives up, ditching his car.
I'm going to catch the bus. I'm going to catch the bus, you know.
Then Sherry Cyber of Garfield, her van of all days just breaks down. And she says, as far as a helping hand...
And no one will help, no one. They can't leave the gas station. This guy got a bad back. I'll tell you.
Beefed up PennDOT crews, however, are working around the clock, focusing on interstates, hills, curves, and intersections. But they're simply unable to keep up with continues to be a literal blowing blanket of snow.
We're plowing. Anytime you get over 2 inches of snow, you're in a plowing mode. You really can't spread too many materials. But it's with all the winds that we have and the blowing, it's once you plow the road, not too much later, it's covered back over again.
Meanwhile, home and business owners shovel away. And despite just about every business and event being closed or canceled, contractor Don Fennell works plowing the Civic Arena parking lot and others at shopping malls just to stay ahead, just like PennDOT.
Since 5 o'clock this morning, we were here, and we've done it 3 times, all the lots.
Well, you just heard one man earlier in the cast there say that he is going to take the bus home. Well, now we're told Pat Bus Service has also been canceled. So the blizzard of '93 very much taking its toll and making the roads literally potential death traps. Stay home. Reporting live in Ross Township, Pete Yaksic, Channel 11 News. Margaret?
Pete, I know that the interstates and the main roads take first priority, but do you have any idea when they're even going to get near those secondary roads?
The PennDOT spokesman you just heard told me earlier that he hopes to get to the secondary roads once the snow stops. That's possibly tomorrow night. He wants to have those roads cleared for the Monday morning rush hour. But right now, the task at hand is getting those interstates cleared off. Then they'll get to the secondary roads. There's really no reason for anybody to be out in weather like this.
Okay, thanks very much. Pete Yaksic reporting live from near 279. As we told you at the top of the show, the Pittsburgh International Airport is also closed. Jennifer Ankoviak is standing by live there. Jennifer, what's going on there?
Margaret, I am not alone by any means. Me and 5,000 other people are here at Pittsburgh International, stranded because of this horrible weather outside. The few that you see behind me at the U.S. Air desks are just kind of stragglers trying to make some
is a city immobilized.
our weather forecasters are tracking the storm, teamed up with the Carnegie Science Center. Kevin Benson, who started our
and that was spread out over 3 days in November in 1950, and it looks like we're going to take a shot at that here in the overnight period.
Dennis said another half foot is expected by midday tomorrow. Right now, the snow has appeared to have taken.
In a snow emergency, and police are still advising everyone to stay off the roads. Most major highways like I-70 and the Turnpike remain closed, and secondary roads, especially in the Laurel Mountain region, I'm told, if you don't have to be on them, just stay home, stay warm.
The reason why it turned out as well as it did, from our point of view, was the dedication of members of the Pennsylvania State Police, the National Guard, the employees of the Department of Transportation.
Many city streets, especially ones on steep hills, are not yet completely cleared for cars and people, and some, like this one on Mount Washington, are fit only for children with sleds. City public works crews continue to salt these streets, but the salt often doesn't work at sub-freezing temperatures. Mountainous regions of the area were the hardest hit by the storm.
That includes Westmoreland County, and our mobile newsroom has spent the day on the road. Lori Penko joins us live now from Greensburg with the latest. Lori?
Well, David,
Hospital.